Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi. It's Mina here at Memsaab at the Luton warehouse at Crescent Road. And I've got something new to show you today, which is this lovely handwork Cutdana pieces here that have come in. They only came in last night, so we just steamed them and I thought I'd show you them. Didn't get a chance yesterday because it was just too busy. Here we are with this beautiful, it's like tissue organza, but it's nice and drapey, soft fabric. I'll bring the camera near organza. You can see how drapey it is. There's no stiffness. You can see all the beadwork. You can see the lovely hangings as well at the bottom. Give you that lovely drape, and you can see how it just flows so nicely. So it's for any kind of body shape because we've made this from actual fabric, yeah, and cut into shape, fully lined, finished nicely with the pearls. Nice pearl neckline and beautiful heavy dupatta. You can see the shimmer on the two tones, so it's light and dark. It's really ombre, so it goes from light shade to dark shade. And it's same with the kameez. It goes from the lighter shade to the darker shade, and it comes with trousers. Nice long length. It's probably about, I think, maybe about 47, 48 inch length. Could be longer. And I'll just turn it around. You can have a better look because it's the full kameez. It's fully embroidered. Back, front, sleeves, everything. Tassels at the back as well to level out the weight of the kameez, okay? So here you can have a closer look. Okay. So this is very, very nice. Okay, it's perfect for weddings, functions. Okay, nothing too fussy, but yet again, a really nice color, look, stitched really nicely. Sizes range from small, medium, large to double XL, is it? Or is it up to XL? Let me just check. Up to XL, actually. This is from small, medium, large to XL. Okay, and this is the dusky pinky color. And I'll just show you on the website. This is the code. Okay, so if I can just show you the code. There's the code. ASBC-04 Silk Cutdana Outfit. Okay, and I'll show you the teal color as well. And you can see the price also if I bring it close. Where we are. There. Okay, it's only £85. Okay, £85. Very beautiful. Something to get stitched like this costs you about 65 to 85. So you're getting the fabric stitched, styled, and all in one at £85. And the code is ASBC-04. It's called the Silk Cutdana Outfit. This is the dusky pink. So it's got full embellishments, front, back, dupatta, sleeve, fully lined, and the sizes range from small, medium, large to XL. Okay, and it comes with trousers. Okay, lovely long length, lovely long slender length to give you a nice slimming look. The other color in this new design, the Cutdana design, so it's the ombre effect, light to dark. Okay, and fully embellished, beautiful tassels, lovely border, and you can just see it here, and I think you can see it in that screen as well. Is it working? Yeah, so you can see the embellishments, you can see the sheen, the shine, the firmness of the embroidery and the back. Okay, so something you can quickly pick and buy, and they're on special offer. They are £85. There you are. Can you see the shine in the light, the way it is? It's a lovely long length item, nice and drapey, perfect for a wedding, nikah, barat, main day, and only £85. Sizes ranging from small, medium, large to XL, and it's stitched beautifully, okay, and very elegantly finished. Look at that. It comes with silk plain trousers, okay. So this is the second color. There you are. Cutdana suit here on the website. I'll show you the code. The code is ASBC-04 Cutdana. It's on the website. If you put in the search bar, the colors will come up because the colors we set up yesterday, they're all online now. So we did order 2 colors at first, I think a couple of weeks ago, just to see the response, and we got a really good response. So we thought we'd do the full color range, okay? So it has the lovely ombre effect. This is with the beige and the kind of khaki color, minty color. And it comes with a lovely tassel border. Nice and heavy, only £85 here at Memsaab, Luton. And on the website, www.memsaabonline.com, and it comes in sizes small, medium, large to XL. Okay, and you can go on there, put the code in, and check out all the colors. Okay, it's very beautiful. Look at that. Very, very, very beautiful. Right. Okay, so that's the third color. I'll just show you the silky trousers. They are nice silky trousers there. You can see straight trousers. Nice straight trousers. Okay, slinky straight trousers. You can see the two shades of ombre teal in this, the light and the dark. Okay, there. You can see the tassels there as well. Okay, very beautiful. It's really heavy. It's a lot of work. So it's back and front. It's not just the front. It's the sleeves as well. And even the dupatta is heavy. Price is only £85 here at Memsaab. We're based in Luton, which is about 30 minutes from London. It's not that far, just to give you an insight. And we're based at Crescent Road, okay? And you can make an appointment and come and view these items and purchase them in person if you like. And we have an appointment system. So if you phone on our 15824154454, you can book an appointment, and what it is, we'll have somebody come and show you the items you want to look at. It'd be good if you bring screenshots because it's helpful, because we have hundreds and hundreds of items. So to give us an idea and to save you time and us time and get straight to the point, if you bring in screenshots, then it makes the obviously the experience easier. So we're showing you the right items and the right price ranges. There is a £10 fee for booking fee, so that your slot is fully booked in, and you don't miss out on anything. But that is actually refundable for you after you've purchased an item of your choice. Otherwise, you know, if you just come to look and view, the £10 is non-refundable. Okay, so here we are. It's a beautiful teal color ombre outfit on a lovely tissue two-tone organza. Lovely heavy border. It's bordered at the back as well as the front. Lovely dupatta with mata patti, heavy border on one side. And sizes range from small, medium, large to XL, and they're only £85. Okay, girls? So there we are. Pick your one for your occasion now. This is lovely. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that ombre, that light color going into that beautiful mustardy green. Look at that sheen. Oh, it's really nice. And look how beautiful it is. Look, that's the front. Full front, okay? Sleeves embroidered, fully lined. And that's the trouser color on that, kind of a limey, mustardy, greeny. So it's actually good for a mehndi as well. That's beautiful. So gorgeous, okay? And the code to this is ASBC-04. It's the silk Cutdana suits, okay? And this is the 5th color, okay? So now I'll go into the 6th. This is the peach color. Look at that. It's beautiful as well. Look. Beautiful color combination. You'll see with the dupatta, I want to show you in just a moment. Full front, full back, full border. Nice hangings. Lovely neck, which is like a boat neck with the pearls on it. And full embroidered sleeves. And here's the ombre dupatta. And the ombre dupatta is combined with a color. Can you see? It's like an aqua. Aqua. Look, here we are. So the combination is so nice. There we are. Is that beautiful? And only £85. So only £85. They're here in stock right now, and they're already selling, okay? £85 only, and they range from the sizes small, medium, large to XL, okay? So girls, go and grab yours now. So I've shown you, I think, 6 colors. I've shown you 6 colors, okay? And they're all beautiful, fashionable colors, and you can't go wrong with them, okay? And they're value for money, and they're stitched really nice, really neat and firmly, and it's lovely firm embroidery, okay? Rather than you ordering something at last minute. Some people are last minute, so this is the one for you to grab if you are kind of last minute looking for a nice item, okay? At a reasonable price, okay? There we are. And I'm going to keep it short and sweet right now today because I've got an appointment right now. So I thought I'd quickly show you this because they came in yesterday and I just got them steamed. I thought I have to show you this because they're very beautiful. Can you see the dupatta as well? Can you see the shades? If I just show you the shades. Beautiful, okay? So there, guys, please go and purchase your one now. It's code ASBC-04. It's the silk Cutdana suit. Just put that in the search bar. ASBC-04. I'm going to show you on the screen right now. A screenshot of the code. and have a good look at it on the website as well. Okay, you can always phone in, make an appointment, come in, view and buy. There is a procedure, so once you phone in, they'll tell you what you need to do on 01582 415 You can even email us on info@memsaabonline.com, and you can visit the website www.memsaabonline.com. So there's 3 different pathways that you can choose, and we're here to help and here to help you choose what you'd like to wear for that special day. And take care, and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for your time.